Good. Let your heels come down, Chapel. Eyes up. Eyes up. Stay out of that saddle. Push down in your heels. Stretch taller, Leah. Make her go a little slower. Eyes up. Don't look down at her. Yeah, you gotta look ahead. Don't let her do that. Good, and let her walk. Good, posting trot. Good, Leah, shoulders back. Sit up taller. Taller, lean back. There it is. Close your fingers. Lengthen your reins so that your hands can come back towards your body.